Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 4 for beginners. First, let's talk about character creation. Your special stats are crucial. Consider putting points into intelligence early on for a significant boost to your experience gain, helping you level up faster. After leaving Vault 111, focus on the initial quests in Sanctuary Hills to gather essential gear and learn the basic mechanics of the game. This early stage sets the foundation for your entire adventure in the Commonwealth. As you venture into the Commonwealth, exploration is key. Scour every building and corner for valuable junk, which can be broken down into crafting components and discover new areas. When combat arises, remember to use VATS to target specific enemy body parts, increasing your hit chance and often saving precious ammunition. Keep a variety of weapons on hand, like a rifle for long range and a shotgun for close quarters, to adapt to any threat you might face. Building settlements is a core part of your journey. They offer a place to rest, store items, and generate resources like purified water and food. Remember to construct robust defenses, such as heavy machine gun turrets and sturdy walls, to keep your settlers safe from raiders and creatures. Utilize the crafting stations found in settlements to upgrade your weapons and armor, enhancing their damage, accuracy, and protective qualities, which is vital for survival in the wasteland. As you level up, carefully choose your perks to enhance your character. If you enjoy stealth, invest in sneak and ninja. For those who prefer direct combat, consider perks like Rifleman or Commando. Early on, the Locksmith and Hacker perks are incredibly useful, granting you access to locked containers and terminals, which often hold rare loot. Also, the Scrapper perk is excellent for maximizing your resource collection from discarded items, fueling your crafting endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.